How to turn a professional account on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First, we will launch Instagram application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards profile icon at bottom right. As you can see that currently we have set to professional mode. Tap three line at top right. Now navigate to the option of for the professional section and choose creator tools and controls. Now scroll to the bottom. Tap on Switch Account Type and tap Switch to Personal Account. Now to confirm, tap Switch to Personal Account and wait for a while. Then after that, you will be notified that we have switched to Personal Account. And finally, when you go back to your profile, you will no longer see the professional dashboard. So you have successfully turned off professional account on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.